What's happening, guys? Coming at you today answering a question or a thing that we see come up a lot, and that's things to check routinely for longevity out of your products. The first one I'm going to say is your connections. These things get corroded more than you would imagine, and sometimes it'll look good on the outside. Say you have like ring terminals like mounted to a surface, and then you have like some sort of casing over the like ring terminal going to the wire, and you think it's all good, and then you like pull the sleeve back and you see like all kinds of oxidation and corrosion. So first thing, definitely check your connections. Like that's at your amplifiers, that's at your power and ground wires, like your bigger stuff. Also your RCAs, this is going to be a big one too, because they can get loose and wiggle back and like sometimes even pop out, and people wonder like why they're not getting good performance and stuff, and like they're just not getting the signal there. That's happened to me several times, so be sure to check that out. And we offer RCAs, like our higher end RCAs. They actually have like a screw thing on there that makes it clamp down onto the we don't have it up here anymore, but onto the connection, like the Tiffany style RCA connection. So it really gets a good bite on there, and it's going to help not come back off of that. Next thing I would say is giving your batteries a good charge, or checking your batteries to see if you have like a lithium bank or a bank of batteries. Sometimes if it's been a year or a couple of years and you start noticing like it's not holding up like it used to, like you may have a bad cell in your, say, lithium bank, or you may have a bad cell in one of, like say you have a bank of AGM batteries, like 10 of them, and one of them has failed, so it's not holding voltage like the rest of them. So that one is like a parasitic drain on all the other batteries. And same thing in a lithium cell situation. Like if you have a couple of bad cells, that's going to drain down or put a drain on the entire bank, no matter what it is. So if you take them apart, check them individually, then you'll see where some of them are great, and then you have one that's bad, or two, or whatever it ends up being. So that's going to shorten the lifespan of your entire system, because you have this parasitic drain from a bad battery, whether it's a cell in lithiums or a bad, I mean it can be a cell in AGM too or whatever, but anyway, it could be a bad battery in your bank of them. So that's a big thing. Other thing, I mean, I would say you could check like to make sure, like I've seen so many people stuff getting wet, and they're like, it's inside of my vehicle, like I don't understand. But when you're playing your system and you have heavier and heavier bass, things are starting to break loose, your seals are starting to blow out, and like you may not realize this, but for instance, I can speak from experience, my Tahoe, like when we put it up from a show, we put like this big tarp over the amps in the back, because all the seals back there and everything, the doors don't shut like really good, like, and if it rains, all that water will run, and instead of it going down the seals and around like it should, it'll run straight off of there and into the top of the amplifiers, and obviously that's not good. And this can happen in anybody's vehicle. We get amplifiers sent in, and like we look at it and you can see clearly it's got water damage, and they're like, inside of my car, there's no way it has water damage. I'm like, look, this is what it looks like. It's gotten wet, and come to find out, they go and they pull out the carpet or whatever, and it's all mildewed and like rusted, and they're like, oh, I guess I do have a leak somewhere. Like, yeah. So that's another thing to check. But we're going to conclude this video there. Check those things and you'll get better longevity out of your car audio system. If you need anything, give us a call at 702-701-9800, or hit up the website downforsoundshop.com. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Life of Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.